Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today I'll be working on our E53 X5, and I got this parts card that I'll be taking a few parts off and swapping it to this one. I will be swapping out the seats because this X5 got a rip tear. So this one is 2001, made in 2001, and this one is made in, the white one is made in 2002. But I know they should be the same because by the numbers here, they're both made in 2001. So this one is heated. This white E53 is heated, and this one is not heated seats. So I'll be also do the conversion. So I read online that they are pre-wired, and some people say that they're not, so well, I guess we'll find out. First step to do before we take it out, there's some like plastic pieces on these to cover it. Take those off, and it is a 16mm, and then unplug the battery. There we go. The lights are off. Let's get a piece of clothing. Wrap this around so just to be safe. And here in the back we're all done. So now let's get this, disconnect the seat. Let's get this thing out of here. Man, this is ugly. Ruining the whole interior.
I don't usually go out this late at night to the place of the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching.
So this bolt is for the seat belt.
There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire. Only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar. You should dance with me. You should get to know me. Kick it with the artery. Let down all your worries. You should dance with me.
This is very easy to take out. Just pry it on each side, and just on one side, then it comes out, and then just pull it out. So on these ones, the plugs do look the same, but the pins are different. So that one has way less pins. This one has more because it has more features. So let's throw that one in there, and then throw the seats in. And then we'll see if it's gonna work. If it's not gonna work, that means that we should add a fuse somewhere for the heated seats. Because I know online I read that it's all pre-wired, so we'll see if it's gonna work. Alright guys, so I just put in the seats. They're not screwing the bolts. Let's connect the battery. So I connected the wires as well. So let's make sure that has good contact. Let's see if it's gonna move. Yep, the seat is moving. That's supposed to. Now let's check the other side. So on this black one, how it came from the factory, it did not have the powered seats. And look at this, just swapped it. It's all pre-wired. Oh, the seat's moving. It's all working. Now let's see if the heated seats work. The moment of truth. And look at that. And it's working. No fuse is needed to be installed. Now let's sit here for a little bit to see if it actually does warm up. Wow. Amazing. This was simple and easy. Working perfectly. It warms up. Everything is working. Except this car does not have the PDC equipped, so that will not work. All the rest, everything's working fine. Now it has the heated seats. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. And if you guys like this video, please push the like button and please subscribe. And also, there's actually not that much information about this on the internet. About the heated seats retrofit. But this one worked very easy. And if I can do it within 2 hours, you guys can do it too. Alright guys, see you next time.